If you trade during news without understanding this, you are not trading, you're gambling. In fact, you're literally donating money to the market. So, welcome to the ISAK FX Masterclass on Forex news trading and volatility control. So, this five parts professional series will teach you how high impact news move the market and what events to avoid completely and when to stay out and when to enter, and professional entry strategies during volatility, and at the end risk management used by disciplined traders. So watch all five parts in order to fully understand the system. So these are the parts we'll be covering. Part 1 is why traders lose during news. Part 2 will be the dangerous events to avoid, and part 3 how to use Forex Factory, since this is the main top online link like this one where you can access news. You can see it here, Forex Factory. And part 4 will cover professional strategies, and part 5 risk and survival system. So each of the videos will be very precise, and watch all 5 parts just to comprehend everything about Forex news trading and volatility control.